Hey friends, it's Alice Murray with Murr-Made Designs. Welcome to my channel. I am showing you 365 days of sewing makes by yours truly. And you are tuned in to day 34. And on day 34, we are going to be looking at Burda 6209. It's a really cute little dress for wovens. Comes in two lengths, and I actually made mine kind of halfway between those two lengths. And you can have little cap sleeves or no sleeves. It has a boat neck. It has this is the back. It has a zipper in the back, which I did not put in. It has princess seams. And it's a really interesting skirt where the side panel in the skirt comes down to a point, so it kind of holds the skirt out. And this is very, very flattering seam. And then these cute little cap sleeves. And I will show you my version. I think it's very cute. I think it's a very flattering cut on this with the princess seams and then the seams down into the skirt. It kind of holds the skirt out. I kind of made it not as short as the one version and not as long as the other. I had about 1.5 meters of material. So that was about as long as I could make it. And it's actually maybe just a little bit shorter than what I usually wear, but I think with the way the skirt is cut, it definitely works. And I love this material. It is a cotton, a quilting cotton. I got it online from the company Trend Tex. Which stands for textile, I betcha. And they ship out of Vancouver and they ship overnight. And they have just some beautiful things on their website. And anything you order, your local quilting store gets a cut. So that's really cool. And I'm just going to read you the name of this material. It is called See the Good Things. And it's designed by Stof. Hope I'm saying that right. And you can see it has little jellyfish all over it. Isn't that cute? I just thought that was so cute. So I just love this dress. I think it would be a great summer dress. Great going to church dress. Great going to a picnic dress. So I think Trend Tex, See the Good Things, See all the good things, and Burda 6209. I think you're both winners. This pattern went together so easy. Just didn't have a single problem with it. I love patterns like that. But I want to tell you today what my grateful thread is. Today, I am very grateful for my grandson, William. He is just such the dearest, sweetest fella. And today is his birthday. And it was on this day 15 years ago that I became a grandma for the first time. And now I have 7 beautiful grandchildren, and it's the best gig ever. I just love being a grandma. I'm so grateful for it. So, if you're a grandma, I'd love to hear. Tell me in the comments. It's super fun. And what else is fun is sewing. I hope you're sewing, because sewing is so much fun. See you on day 35.